Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to set an external mic as default voice recorder on your OnePlus mobile. So how to do that? It is very simple. Just open your menu, then go to settings application. You can see here settings. Open that settings application. Then scroll down. Then you can see option of sound and vibration. Open that. Then go all the way down out of page. Then you can see option of advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Okay, then you can see there is two options like volume button function and default recorder. Open that. Then you will see two options, auto select and add-on. Normally it is on auto select. That means whenever you are connecting a Bluetooth mic or any USB mics to your phone, then it will be select automatically. And also you can choose that one add-on. Okay, if you're choosing add-on, it is always being recorded whenever you're connecting mic. It will be always record with that connected mic, not your default mic. So you can set this function to add-on, and that's guys very simple tutorial. And it is most of the time it will be work, and auto selection is also work because whenever you're connecting a device, it will be work with auto select. And that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.